Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Sophie's not talking. She's meant to be telling you that we
have come to Oxford Street to see Jude at work. On the way we went to Camden and did some shopping. Now had lunch. We're going to go to All
which
Saints.
was yummy. And now we're going to go to All Saints, where we're going to spend loads of money while Sophie is. Oh dear. Bye-bye.
I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
damn, that's a cold ass honky.
Rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green draped in a